To perform an AI bulk title search, start off like a regular scan. Click on the scan button and drag and drop your price list in there. Next, you want to use the AI title match as the identifier, not the UPC or the ASIN. This will help you find ASINs using a title or some type of a description. As soon as you click on this, you can see how many searches you have remaining. And if you want to buy a top-up plan, simply click on buy top-up in the top right corner. Let's take a quick look at this price list. This price list has a lot of information, but let's assume we're not going to be using the UPC to find the ASINs. In this column, we have a brand name, we have a description, we have a size, a unit of measurement, and other points of information. Some lists only have a title. That's fine. If the title is very descriptive, it can work quite well. But for lists like this, where we have multiple columns all contributing to a title of some sort, for example, this one's brand name is Lakewood. It's juice pomegranate pure, 32 ounces. So we can actually add all of these into the search. We can use the Cat4 column over here. We can also use the description. We can use the size. And we can use the unit of measurement. All these actions will contribute to performing a more in-depth title search. Again, if you only have a simple title from a scraped file or anything like that, it would still work. Next, just continue your scan as usual. Add your costs, item number, UPC, and any other points of information you want. Then just click on upload. And here are some of our results. Notice when you do an AI title match, you have this extra column here, which tells you if what was found is a likely match, if you can auto approve it, or if it needs more review. When you hover over an ASIN, there's this added section over here for the AI title match. It tells you the confidence that our AI tool has to confirm if the product is indeed correct. The brand in this case matches, the type matches, the variant matches, the size matches, but the pack size differs. It uses what you compared in the input title section to confirm that with the title to see if it is indeed correct. Let's check out one that doesn't really match. This one here got a 62% confidence score. This is telling you that you need to review it. For example, the brand name differs. The variant also differs. So the likelihood that this is the right product is much, much lower. Cases like this, you need to review it further. But when a product is auto-approved or a likely match like this one here, you can see a lot of the information matches. This function consumes AI tokens to match the products. Note, each title search consumes one Astro AI token. But in most scenarios, each title search produces between 3 to 5 ASIN results. It helps you find ASINs in a fraction of the time compared to manual research when you have to go to Amazon and look at the products one by one. And you can also filter and sort the result to bring the highest confidence ASINs to the top.